Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. This is going to be Pinterest series where I'm making videos on Pinterest and trying to help people who are looking to set up a business account on Pinterest and then eventually use it to drive traffic to their blog sites. So that is the whole purpose of making this Pinterest series. And if you go to my YouTube channel, you will find a Pinterest marketing playlist where you will find all these videos, or you can check it out on my Instagram where I'm uploading these videos daily. So this is another yet episode where I'm going to tell people that how they can set up their entire business profile and basically claim their websites and social accounts. So this is everything that I'm going to tell in this video. It's going to be a very short video so that people can understand. Just before we begin, my name is Sristhi, and I run this website, this blog site called sristhiagarwal.com, and this whole website is just here to help people learn blogging and different ways and strategies and tools of blogging. So I hope you'll enjoy this video, and please do share it with the people who really need it and people who are just starting up in blogging. Okay, so let's get started. So in last two videos or three videos, I think we have discussed what is Pinterest and how to set up an account on Pinterest, and what exactly you do with the Pinterest profile. Now, in a business profile, the advantages or the pros of Pinterest is that you can actually claim your website. You can check out the analytics here, the overview, audience insight, what is the video analytics, and then you can actually have greater insight of your audience, which you cannot do in the personal account. Business account is always profitable, and you can keep a track of what audience or what kind of people are following you, how many people are actually clicking on your links and going back to your website and visiting there. So this is an additional source of traffic. And let me tell you that Pinterest is very quickly picked up by Google. So if you maintain a good Pinterest account, there are high chances that Google is going to show up in results. So when people are looking for inspiration and ideas on blogging, probably your profile will be there if you maintain it properly and if you have optimized it for keywords and descriptions and everything. So what you have to do is again go to pinterest.com. Here is my profile, Sristhi Agarwal. 17k monthly viewers, 58 followers. It's growing every day. It reached actually 27k, and then there was a decline because I couldn't really put up the pins out there because of a very busy schedule. But I'm getting back on that. At least I'm settled till June. I have done all new pins that I'm supposed to upload, so that pre-uploading is already done. They are already scheduled till June, so I'm very happy about it. And I did that with Tailwind, which is a tool, which is an official tool for Pinterest, where you can go for bulk uploads. So that is kept for another video, but today let's go to Pinterest. So you go onto your profile, and now you have to go on edit settings. Now in the previous profile, when we were setting up the account, I told you how to make a profile. So you can put up a picture here or the logo of your company if you're making a company account, and if you're making your personal branding account, blogging account, then probably you can pick your own picture. So like my blog is sristhiagarwal.com, so my Pinterest profile is also Sristhi Agarwal. But if you have a blog like bloggingpassion.com or bloggerself.com or something which is more of a company kind of approach or a brand kind of approach, then you can upload your logo here. Then again, my display name is Sristhi Agarwal, username is Sristhi Agarwal, which is very lucky. I don't have to get add-ons. Then we also discussed about your profile. So you have to just put out all the keywords over here. Get an email address, select country code. So probably that is something that has been missed out. You putting a phone number is optional here. Now we are going to do some different settings. So business type, so I have selected my business type as blogger. We did in our previous setting also. Now use your Facebook or Google account to log into Pinterest. So if you want, you can connect with the Facebook or Google account. I have directly signed in, but if you want, you can use Facebook as an option or Google as an option. There are messaging options, so if you connect with different collaborators and if you follow different people, you can actually get to message them. So here, this message icon, if you click on this, you can just like suppose I want to message somebody I know by name, like I think I'm following Amit Mishra, so I'm just going to put it here, and then I'm going to send a message. So yeah, so you can do that if you want. So this is the messaging option. So turn on direct messaging for your business profile. You can receive messages and you can send messages, and then you can hide your pins and profile if you want to deactivate your account, or delete your account and account data if you want to close it. But we are here for different purpose, and that is for claiming. So connect your other content to Pinterest. So claiming your website is a very, very important part. You just have to go ahead, put in your sristhieagarwal.com, like I have put my blogger profile. All you have to do it is just put in there your URL, and you have to click on claim. So right now I've already claimed, so it is showing unclaimed. So I don't want to unclaim it because that is something that I've already set up. You will get a small code sort of thing which you have to place it in your header tag, and then your website will be claimed. So I'm sure you guys know about the header tags in WordPress profile, right? There is a head, body. So in that header tag, you have to just go and place it, before your header tag is ending. So you just have to go and copy it, or you can go to your cPanel and upload there also. I have just put the RSS feed also here. If you want, you can, so this is basically how you do it. If you want to add your RSS feed, I have done it like sristhieagarwal.com/RSS. So if you want, you can add another one if you have multiple profiles that you have claimed, but I have just claimed one. And then claim other accounts, so you get another option to actually claim your different accounts. So you can take prints from there, you can take images from there, and you can save it on your Pinterest. So that is the reason, that is the whole reason for claiming. For website, if you're claiming, then you can see very good analytics, that how many people are actually going from Pinterest to your website, and people for coming from website to your Pinterest. So that is the whole agenda of claiming it. So I have claimed my Instagram account. You can see blogger Sristhi Agarwal is connected here. If I want, I can unclaim it and add more. Auto publish your latest Instagram post. If you want, you can enable this. You can just select a board and then publish all your Instagram post, but I don't do it here. I kind of restrict it just for my blogs. If you have an Etsy account, then you can claim that, and I have also claimed my YouTube channel. So again, that is saying for unclaim, but all you have to do is just suppose like if I have to claim my Etsy channel, it is going to okay, so some issue with internet, failed to connect with Etsy, because actually I'm not on Etsy, but if you want, you can claim it. You just have to put your link over there and you can click on claim. So that is how you claim it. So my YouTube is connected, my Insta is connected, and my website is connected. So this is pretty much you can do with claiming your accounts. Here you get all the notifications by email, by push notification on Pinterest. You can edit these options if you want, but I would suggest just leave it the way it is. Then this is your privacy settings. If you want, you can unclick any of these, but I would just suggest leave as it is. Then there is a security tab here. So security is to secure your account properly and make sure your passwords are strong enough, and that's pretty much it. Now app is something you as I told you about Tailwind. Okay, so you can keep a track of everywhere that you've logged in with your Pinterest profile and remove access from apps you're no longer using with Pinterest. So that is it. So basically I'm using Tailwind, and I use it to upload my Pinterest pins in bulk. So that is the reason this particular thing is connected right now. I did not approve it there has been some time that I have not been using it on app, and I'm just using on the desktop space itself. So that is why it is asking me to revoke access, but I don't have to really do it. I can, if I want, I can revoke it also, but I usually go to Tailwind. I'll show you that account also, and probably in one of my videos I'm going to show you how exactly you can schedule your Pinterest pins. So just look at the scheduling I have done. So it is from Monday, which is tomorrow. You can see tomorrow 4 pins are already scheduled, and it has been done till June 3rd. So till June 3rd it's done. I have to add just 2 more pins till June 3rd, and probably I'm going to show it, record a video on this also, and do it. So this is a premium account or a paid account. Like there are 35 pins which are scheduled. So I will tell you the pinning strategies and everything. Your pinning strategy might be different from a blogger, from a different blogger, and there are reasons and ways that you can achieve more traffic by uploading more and unique pins. So yeah, so this is pretty much about how to claim your website and your social accounts on Pinterest for your business profile. I hope this video was helpful for you guys, and you will, if you have any questions, just put it in the comments below. Do subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon so that you know when I've uploaded a new video, you'll get a notification for that. Yeah, thank you so much.